Hey, what's that you got there, Adam?
This is my farm tough husqvarna made in Sweden chainsaw.
A chainsaw made in Sweden?
Yep. And you push the button up here first and turn it on. Push the button 1, 2, 3. Start it up.
That sure is loud, Mr. Adam. It sure is loud. I done lost my hearing already.
And it started up really nice.
Would you say that thing's called a husqvarna?
Huh?
Husqvarna?
Husqvarna.
Husqvarna. Okay.
It's my Sweden chainsaw.
Okay. That reminds me of a song like from the 50s.
I like Sweden.
Yeah, what did he say? I'll take Sweden, ya ya ya. I can't remember who that was by. Maybe Frankie Avalon or something.
Yep, there she is.
Wow, what a chainsaw. And there he goes. Getting more wood off the truck. I got you some yummy food in the microwave there, Mr. Adams. Keeping warm for you. Got you some steak and some cornbread and some mashed potatoes and some cheesy macaroni and some spinach. Yum, yum, yum.
Yum. It's like sitting down